Deep beneath the rolling, sunlit waves of the Indian Ocean, far beyond the reach of human civilization, lies a dark, mysterious, and terrifying world that has remained entirely unchanged for over 400 million years. Welcome to the Twilight Zone, a freezing, high-pressure oceanic abyss where the ancient past actively collides with the present. Today, we are diving into the terrifying reality of the coelacanth, a creature that completely defies the laws of evolution. What if you discovered that a massive, predatory dinosaur was actively swimming in the dark depths of our modern oceans? For over a century, the greatest scientific minds on Earth believed this ancient, armored fish went completely extinct. They believed it died out alongside the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex, wiped from the planet by a catastrophic asteroid impact. But the deep ocean is the ultimate keeper of secrets, and it refuses to surrender its darkest mysteries easily. Fact number 10. The coelacanth is not just an ancient fish. It is a literal, swimming time machine. Its physical biology has not significantly altered or evolved since the devastating prehistoric Devonian period. It has survived four separate, catastrophic mass extinction events that completely wiped out 90% of all life on Earth. Fact number 9. The physiological structure of the coelacanth completely shatters our understanding of evolutionary biology. Unlike any modern fish swimming in the ocean today, it possesses four fleshy, highly articulated lobed fins. These specialized fins move in a synchronized, alternating pattern that looks exactly like a four-legged land animal walking. It is the terrifying, missing evolutionary link between ancient sea monsters and the very first amphibians to crawl onto dry land. Fact number 8. The skull of this deep-sea phantom is equipped with a terrifying, biomechanical hinged joint. This unique intracranial joint allows the coelacanth to swing the entire upper half of its massive skull upward. This terrifying adaptation allows it to open its powerful, tube-filled jaws to an impossible, nightmarish angle. It can swallow large, struggling deep-sea prey completely whole, trapping them inside its armored, impenetrable stomach. Fact number 7. The coelacanth does not possess a normal, functioning spine made of solid, calcified bone. Instead, its massive body is supported by a thick, hollow tube of pressurized liquid cartilage known as a notochord. This primitive, alien anatomy allows it to survive the crushing, lethal atmospheric pressure of the deep oceanic trenches. Fact number 6. To navigate the pitch-black void of the abyss, it uses a highly advanced, biological sensory organ. Located deep within its armored snout, a specialized rostral organ detects the faintest electromagnetic fields in the water. It can literally feel the erratic, terrified heartbeat of a hiding fish from several feet away in the freezing dark. Fact number 5. The scales of this ancient survivor are not thin or flexible like those of a modern fish. They are composed of thick, interlocking plates of dense cosmine tissue, acting as impenetrable, biological tank armor. This heavy, overlapping armor protects this slow-moving giant from the terrifying, jagged teeth of deep-sea sharks. Fact number 4. The life cycle of the coelacanth is agonizingly slow, completely out of sync with the modern world. Marine biologists believe these massive, ancient fish can easily live for over an astonishing 100 years. Furthermore, a female coelacanth remains pregnant for an unbelievable, agonizing 5 solid years before finally giving birth. This incredibly slow gestation period makes the species incredibly vulnerable to sudden, catastrophic changes in their environment. Fact number 3. They are not active, aggressive hunters that engage in high-speed, chaotic chases across the reef. They're the ultimate, patient ambush predators, perfectly utilizing the absolute, freezing darkness of the deep ocean. They will hover completely motionless inside dark volcanic caves, sometimes drifting violently upside down or backward. When an unsuspecting fish swims too close, the massive jaws snap shut in a fraction of a terrifying second. Fact number 2. The discovery of the coelacanth completely humiliated the global scientific establishment. In 1938, a local fisherman in South Africa pulled a bizarre, armored blue creature from his heavy nets. When a museum curator examined the rotting carcass, she instantly recognized the impossible, unmistakable lobed fins. It was the biological equivalent of finding a living, breathing velociraptor casually wandering through a modern forest. It proved that our arrogant understanding of the natural world is vastly, dangerously incomplete and inherently flawed. And finally, fact number 1. The coelacanth proves that the deep ocean is a terrifying, unexplored alien planet. We have successfully mapped the entire rocky surface of the Moon and Mars with stunning, high-resolution clarity. Yet, we have explored less than 5% of our very own, massive, terrifyingly deep oceanic abyss. If a 6-foot, armored prehistoric dinosaur fish managed to hide completely undetected for over 65 million years, what other massive, terrifying, and impossible ancient monsters are currently swimming silently in the freezing dark? Could there be massive, unknown leviathans lurking in the deep trenches, waiting patiently for the absolute perfect moment? The survival of the coelacanth is a haunting, powerful reminder of the deep, enduring resilience of biological life. It is a living testament to the terrifying, unchanging power of the dark, freezing, and high-pressure oceanic abyss. As humanity continues to arrogantly exploit and aggressively pollute the delicate, shifting surface of the planet, the ancient masters of the deep remain completely untouched, silently guarding the darkest secrets of evolutionary history. They watch us from the freezing dark, just as they watched the mighty dinosaurs burn and turn to ash. To look into the pale, glowing eye of a living coelacanth is to stare directly back into the prehistoric abyss. It is a chilling, awe-inspiring connection to a violent, ancient world that refused to completely die and fade away. The next time you look out across the dark, vast, and rolling expanse of the open, seemingly empty ocean, remember the armored, prehistoric phantom currently drifting completely undetected through the freezing, high-pressure void. The true masters of this planet do not walk aggressively on the land, nor do they fly high in the sunlit clouds. They simply wait in the deep, dark crushing abyss, conquering the world with breathtaking, beautiful, and terrifying patience. These mind-blowing facts prove that our planet is far more mysterious, alien, and deadly than we could ever imagine. If this terrifying journey into the deep oceanic abyss left you wanting more, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And do not click away just yet. Click the video on your screen right now to explore the terrifying secrets of